That's so cool.
So you have to make sure that both flues are lit, because there are two nozzles.
And what scale is this?
G scale. 45 millimeter.
How much track do you have?
1,000 feet.
That is so cool.
I'm the driver.
You're the driver? So what do you ignite in there?
It's butane.
Surprised to see your dad's train.
What?
I'm surprised to see your dad's train. Did I put it right?
No.
Yep.
What is it?
Smoking.
Dennis, can you check this?
Check what? It's doing fine.
Is it doing fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's steam.
It's just smoking, you know.
No, it's steam.
Okay.
It needs to build up pressure in the boiler,
That is awesome.
which
Does it have a whistle too?
this one does not. You can get them with whistles. I have another one that does, but they're very high pitched.
They need to be high pitched.
No, because they're small.
It's like a scale of the whistle too.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I was hoping I could see it going. Oh well. Oh,
yeah.
he's almost there. Now will it move on its own once it's?
Yes. Once it's at 65 pounds.
Like a tea kettle.
Did you check mine?
It's not gonna blow, is it?
That would make a real good steamed whatever. It's not attacking the other one.
Oh, there we go.
What about the rest?
To get him on the way back.
I need to go change the way.
That is so cool. Thank you for